In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flatten PDF in Canva. If you've ever shared a design and noticed fonts shifting, elements moving, or layers not printing correctly, flattening your PDF can help. Flattening turns all the visible elements on each page into a single, stable layer in the exported file. So what you see in Canva is exactly what your recipient or printer will see. Start by opening the project you want to export. Give it a quick review to make sure everything looks final. Flattening applies only to the exported file, but it's a good habit to confirm your layout, spelling, and images before you continue. When you're ready, go to the top of your Canva window and click Share. This opens the panel where you can hand off your design in different ways. From the Share panel, choose Download. This takes you to the export options for your design. Under File Type, open the drop-down and select PDF. Depending on your account, you may see PDF Standard or PDF Print. Either way, selecting PDF is what reveals the flattening control. PDF Standard is great for smaller files and digital sharing, while PDF Print is commonly used for higher quality output. The key step here is simply choosing PDF so you can turn on flattening. Once PDF is selected, look for a checkbox labeled Flatten PDF. It sits within the PDF options area and may be grouped with other export settings. Click the checkbox to turn it on. This tells Canva to merge layers in the exported file, reducing the risk of text reflow, missing fonts, or unexpected transparency issues when someone else opens or prints it. With flattening enabled, go ahead and click Download. Canva will process your design and save the flattened PDF to your device. The time this takes depends on your project size and internet connection. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Flattening preserves appearance, but it also reduces interactivity. Text won't be selectable, and certain features like live hyperlinks may not function as expected after flattening. If you rely on clickable links, consider exporting a non-flattened version for digital use, and a flattened version for print or sharing. Also, always keep your original editable design safely in Canva so you can make updates later. Flattening affects only the exported file, not your project. That's it. Open your project, click Share, choose Download, set the file type to PDF, check the Flatten PDF box, and download. You now have a reliable, print-friendly PDF that looks exactly the way you designed it.